my name is Nate McCullough on behalf of ExpertVillage.com. In this clip, we're going to talk about the proper way to release the stored energy in the vehicle's springs. What we're going to do is unscrew our strut compressor. You're going to want to work from side to side when doing this. Let's start off here on the left. All right. Remove our safety pins for this guy. There we go. All right, this is one side of our strut compressor we have out of the way. I'm going to go ahead and remove the other side. All right, pull the safety pins out. All right, that's the proper way to uncompress the vehicle's coil spring.